Michelle, did you eat my peanut butter sandwich?
Doggy ate it.
Now, you know that's not true. Now, where'd you hide it?
The doggy ate it.
Now, I know the doggy didn't eat it because I can see inside his tummy.
Joey.
Whoa, there's a dog in our yard.
I told you so.
Hey, little guy. What are you doing here? Oh, like the dog's going to answer me. Are you friendly? Oh, that's sweet. Oh, that's wet. Oh, that's enough. Oh, your tag says you've had all your shots and your name is Minnie.
Hi, Minnie.
Can you shake hands? Look.
There's a dog in our yard. We got a dog. We got a dog. It is our dog, isn't it? It's in our yard, so it must be our dog. We got a dog.
Steph, Minnie is not our dog. Her tag says she's from Ohio.
Where's Ohio?
Well, it's up the street about 2,000 miles.
She came all this way just to live with us. Well, it was worth the trip. You're gonna love it here. Come on, Minnie. I'll show you around.
Steph.
Come on in, Minnie. But wipe your feet first. Dad is gonna love you. This is the kitchen. We'll set an extra plate for you tonight. Come on, I'll show you your new room.
Steph, we gotta talk.
This is my sister Michelle's room. This is the bathroom, in case you need it. No, Minnie, that's Uncle Jesse's room. Minnie, that is not a good place to hang out.
I'll be right back, Michelle. Steph, what is the dog doing on Jesse's bed?
Joey, she's come 2,000 miles. Her feet are tired.
I'm back from school and going over to Kimmy's. That's a dog, right?
This is our new dog, Minnie. She's from Ohio.
Come here, girl. Hi, Minnie. Oh, look, she loves to hug. Oh, she's a tanner already.
Girls, I love the dog as much as you do, but we can't keep her.
How can you say this? Don't you want a dog?
Well, of course I do. I've wanted a dog my whole life, but this dog already has an owner.
But if the owner doesn't want her, we can keep her, right?
Well, personally, I would love that, but your dad may feel differently.
Then let's not tell him.
What are you gonna do? Stick a dress on her and pretend she's a new friend from school?
Works for me. Come on, let's all take a nap together. Hi.